Hi, it's Mr. Daniel from Biology Zone. Today I prepared one simple project, as you see, mitochondria structure. This project is made up by pumice almost. Also I have used black plastiline. Also I have painted this mitochondria shape with brown and blue color. Its shape is oval shape. Also its size is 0.2 till 0.5 micron. Also mitochondria has two membranes, outer membrane, also the inner membrane, but the inner membrane shape is different. Inside of inner membrane here there are placed cristae. Also inside cristae there are some specialized enzymes that produce ATP. You know, mitochondria's main function is production of ATP. ATP is the energy of the cell. It is needed in all processes, in transport, active transport, in nerve cell or muscle cell. At the inner part of the cristae here we have matrix. Matrix is the liquid part that is made by water, minerals, proteins, ribosomes, also genetic material. Genetic material can be replicated by itself by mitochondria, means that it is not under the control of nucleus. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe our channel.